Every day, thousands of businesses and individuals are exploited by cyber criminals from around the globe, exposing their assets and identities to the risk of theft. Take Jim, for instance. Like most of us, Jim's personal information and login credentials have unknowingly been compromised in data breaches over the last 12 months. His favorite online store, doctor's office, and credit card issuer have all been victims of sophisticated cyber attack. Now, his email addresses and cleverly crafted passwords, credit card numbers, date of birth, mother's maiden name, and social security number are all floating out on the dark web for criminals to use in exploiting both Jim and his employer. Out on the auction sites and in forums of the dark web, Jim's information is quickly snatched up by criminals. His credit card information, his social security number, date of birth, and his business email credentials, which give away the keys to his company's network, exposing financial and customer data. And the exploit cycle goes on. If you think this can't or won't happen to you or your company, think again. According to the Securities and Exchange Commission, small and mid-sized businesses are not just targets of cybercrime, they are its principal target. Now you can take action to stop the cycle of exploit. Companies of all sizes around the globe trust Dark Web ID to secure their business credentials and Spotlight ID to protect their employees from identity theft. Secure your business and protect your identity with Dark Web ID and Spotlight ID.